Hi there, my name is Shami and I'm a chartered accountant. I'm going to share some insights about one of the hottest controversy sparked by an advanced ruling authority order of Rajasthan. We are going to understand the applicability of GST on directors' remuneration through this short video. Well, so we are talking about the recent order of advanced ruling authority of Rajasthan, wherein, in case of the Claycraft India Private Limited, wherein they held that director cannot be treated as an employee for GST purpose. That means RCM mechanism is applicable on any consideration paid or payable to the director. And moreover, authority has not clarified any difference in treatment for different type of directors. If you look at this practically, you have whole-time directors, executive directors who are involved in day-to-day management of the company, who are very much involved in day-to-day affairs. You have independent directors who have altogether different roles. They are providing different kind of services, their expertise to the management. You have nominee directors, you have other part-time directors. So you cannot treat all of these services at par, but this order asks us to treat all the directors' remuneration with a single mechanism of RCM. So that's where this all controversy arises. And the similar view was earlier shared by the Karnataka Advanced Ruling Authority as well in case of Alcan Consulting Engineer Private Limited. So now we need to have a look what other laws say about it and what will be the challenges to implement such order. Well, so if we start with CGST Act alone, under Schedule 3, it says services of employees to the employers in course of employment or in relation to the employment is not treated as supply. Hence, it's not liable for GST. If you look at the roles and responsibilities of a whole-time directors or managing directors of a company, it's managing day-to-day operations. They are taking day-to-day decisions. They are very much involved and they're working like an employee only. So by that uh, definition, if you go alone, GST should not be applicable on it. But if you look at advanced ruling, as we discussed already, they want GST to be applicable on any kind of consideration paid or payable to a director, irrespective of the categories of the director, irrespective of their roles and responsibilities. So let's refer the older erstwhile service tax regime. In fact, there as well, services rendered by an employee to the employer were kept outside the scope of service tax. So to substantiate the position, we have a couple of judgments as well, wherein it was clearly established that the service of a director, whole-time director, is not considered for the purpose of service tax. So, however, the commission paid to a non-executive directors were liable for the service tax in old service tax regime as well. So that is something which can be considered in GST as well. However, so if you look at all these acts, income tax, erstwhile service tax, you look at the CGST Act, and along with the advance ruling, there is some ambiguity, and we expect some clarification from the government at earliest to get their stance clarified. So the ideal scenario should be the consideration except sitting fees paid to the directors engaged in whole-time employment with the company should be treated as part of the salary only, and GST should not be applicable. That's my personal opinion, and it's the similar opinion from most of the industry experts as well. However, when it comes to the independent directors, the sitting fees paid or payable to them should be brought under the ambit of GST. This is very well accepted and it's in line with the erstwhile service tax regime as well. However, if you look at this order's challenges in implementing this order itself, there are a couple of big challenges which will act as a bottleneck. One of that, if you go with this order and you find out that you have to apply this order for all the companies out there, first of all, every single company might need to take GST registration irrespective of their turnover to meet RCM obligations, which is a very difficult task in current scenario. Then, if you look at the provision of employer-employee relationship in as per this order, it's completely not aligned to this relationship defined as per Service Tax Regime or Companies Act or even Income Tax Act. Further, if this order gets accepted by the government, it might have a retrospective liability impact on all the SSs out there, which will be a bigger bottleneck as well for implementation. So we'll wait for the clarification from the government. As of now, this is the overall update we could get on this particular topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it. Please post your feedback and queries in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel if you have not done so. Stay indoors, stay safe, take good care of yourself. Thank you.